Okay, from Time Investors, 10 harsh truths that will change the way you think. Never confuse people who are always around you with people who are always there for you. Okay, marami tayong mga taong mga nasa paligid-ligid natin na akala natin nandiyan sila in time of need, pero wala naman sila pag kailangan mo na sila. Biglang busy, something came up. Accept people as they are, but place people where they belong. Ingat tayo nga doon yung CEO ng buhay natin. And tayo yung we can promote people or demote people or just put them where they are. Remember, we are the CEO of our lives. People know your worth. We just hope you don't. The wrong people always teach you the right life lessons. There comes a time in your life when you have to choose. Turn the page, write another book, or simply close it. Again, as the CEO, we have that choice. We can rewrite it if we're not happy. Or let's move on. The people who say you can't and you won't are usually the ones scared that you will. Yeah, ito mga kadalasan to mga kamag-anak to and old friends na yun na palagi binabalik nila yung nakaraan mo, yung mga weakness mo in the past, because probably ayaw ka lang nila masaktan, or pag naging na-achieve mo siya, baka talikuran mo sila. Choosing comfort over discomfort does not lead to a comfortable life. Nakakatempt kasi magiging comfy. Halimbawa, kaka-Netflix mo pala, kaka-subscribe mo pala. But, you have to be strong enough to say no to that and work on your skill. That will lead you to greatness. Experience the hardest kind of teacher. It gives you the test first and the lesson afterward. Yeah. Once you realize the power of your presence, you won't be just anywhere. Yeah, realize the power of your presence. Be careful about the stories you are telling yourself about your current circumstances. A head full of negative thoughts has no space for positive ones. Iba kasi yung pumapasok talaga sa isip natin Iba yung tinotolerate natin. So we need to learn to say no. Yung mga nasa isipin natin, let's not even verbalize it. Parang naisip natin, okay, kasi doubts, fears can creep in. Tsaka yung past failures, disappointments, discouragements, papasok yan, pati guilt, ang pahina sa atin yan. Hindi natin may iwasan yung darating at dadating yan. But we just have to deal with it by replacing the thoughts. Or halimbawa, may negative thoughts ka, magbasa ka ng positive na thoughts. Or magsalita ka ng mga mantra mo na I am strong, I am healthy, I am determined, something like that to counter that negative thoughts. Alright, so again, this is from Time Investors. I just read it from my Insta-G, sharing with you. So I hope we learn something from this and get inspired. Alright? Have a great day.